it might be time for you to upgrade your bathroom, and there are a lot of things to consider when it comes to remodeling your home. Mike and Molly Sowery of Virtuoso Builders are joining us this morning to talk about how to give that bathroom a facelift. It's good to see you guys. Thanks for coming in.
Good to see you.
Oh boy, the bathroom is bathrooms and kitchen, very important in the house. So Mike, let's talk about remodeling your bathroom and how that increases the value of your home.
A question we obviously get all the time. There's a magazine called Remodelers magazine, and they come out with an annual report, cost versus value. So the amount of money you put in and what you get on return. In their report, they said upscale remodels get about a 35% return on the sale. Average remodels get about a 66% return.
Wow.
You're never going to get 100%. But at the end of the day, the main reason to do the remodel is to enjoy it while you're there.
Absolutely.
And not be so concerned about the return, because you never know what the buyer's going to want.
Yeah, very true, very true. And the bathroom's a small space. Like it's a good spot to start your remodeling project. So what are some common requests that you guys get when it comes to baths?
Probably the first request we get is get rid of the tub. So not everybody's using their tub. Some people soak, but 9 out of 10 times they want to get rid of the tub and make a larger walk-in shower. So that's probably the biggest request we get. Storage is another one.
Okay.
Not every bathroom where people are having their linens stored in the bathroom, they got to walk down the hall or on the other side of the house, so they want more efficient or added storage.
So is the rule of you got to have at least one bathtub in the house somewhere? Does that still matter?
Yeah, I think it does.
Right, just somewhere. It doesn't have to be the master.
Ask your realtor.
Okay, so let's talk about safety in the bathroom, because I know that's important to a lot of people. So what are some things you can do to maybe reduce risks of slips and falls and things like that?
Sure. So grab bars are obviously very important.
Okay.
As we all get older, or like me, you get these sports injuries every so often. You got to have grab bars. You want to make sure there's blocking in the wall. So that's wood that's in the wall, so the grab bar is attached to. Having a shower that does not have a step into it, so it's a smooth transition. Tend to shuffle your feet. That's real important. Non-slick surfaces. So when it's wet, it's in the bathroom, you want something that's not going to slick. And then lighting. Lighting is always extremely important.
Okay.
Gotta see.
Oh, I know. We got to put our makeup on in there every day. All right, what about other things that are maybe trending right now when it comes to bathroom remodels?
So 2023, there's some definite carryovers from last year. So you still have your neutral palettes, your warm palettes, but we're seeing a lot of bold contrast. So it might be a pop of color. So the cabinets could be a black or a really dark blue, or maybe just a stained color. Mixing metallics are still really popular. So everything doesn't have to be matchy-matchy. So you don't have to have brushed or stainless everywhere. You can mix that with gold. You can even mix it with matte black. So those are still really, really popular, and we're seeing a lot of that. And
these are things that I would not know. That's why we need you guys to help us out for sure. All right, guys, you need to sit down, make an appointment with Virtuoso Builders. They are going to get you on the road to your remodel. They're right here in San Antonio by appointment only. So call them at 210-525-8750. You can also see some of their projects and some of their work on their website, virtuosobuilders.com. They're on Facebook and, of course, YouTube as well.